This is shoot throws. Start with your hands down on the floor. Knees bent. Lift your pelvis up. From here, take one hand off. Then your opposite leg moves through the space. Turn your supporting foot. Straighten your leg all the way. Come back and switch sides. Make sure your supporting foot turns. It's very important so you're not twisting this knee. And this leg is moving forward. Lock this one. Come back and switch. So let's do it for 1 minute. 1, 2. 1, 2. Your whole body is working on this one. It's a great exercise. Comes from Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Don't forget to breathe. Be careful not to hyperextend your supporting shoulder. Don't go too far. 30 seconds left. Seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. For a stretch, bring your knees apart, lean back, and lift your pelvis up. And this one also. Just round your back, let your body drop. And shake it off right here. Well done.